Hey everyone, I am Abhinav Setia. My JEE Advanced 2020 rank is 8146 and now I'm finally joining BITS Goa. But is it all that matters? According to me, what actually matters in these 2 years is being able to learn how to learn things and improving your problem solving skills. That's what's gonna stay with you for the lifetime. I was mentored by Sachin sir at TruMath, and this is exactly what he has focused upon in his lectures. His way of teaching every single concept in maths is just better than any other online platform I've ever tried. No one's gonna tell you sine inverse x is an angle and how do you learn and unlearn the graphs and what integration actually means, because it's so basic, right? But you really need to hear these little things to have a basic clarity in your mind about the topics. Once you watch his lectures, you really don't feel like you're facing a new question in the exam. You just know you've done it in some way or the other and you're confident of doing it again. Getting a good rank in JEE is just a small part of the process, and trust me, it is easy. It is easy with your hard work, consistency and the right guidance. And I can assure you TruMath provides the best of the content and the guidance to crack IIT JEE and any other exam for that matter. I think to get a good rank, you should have at least one subject in which you're confident of scoring close to full marks, and it has never been easier for maths. So I highly recommend joining it. Good luck.